Well, yes, so it's the end of an era at Britannia Industries because you have the Vice Chairman, MD and CEO, Varun Berry, who has tendered his resignation last evening, and this was, he had first given his resignation to the board on the 6th of November. The board approved that resignation and they waived off his notice period as well. Now, along with stepping down from these managerial positions, he's also going to be stepping down from a whole bunch of committees that he used to be a part of, like the CSR committee, stakeholder relationship, finance, innovation, IT. All of them are going to be some committees that he's going to be stepping down from. Other than that, in the interim, now let's understand what's going to happen. Executive Director and CFO Natarajan Venkatraman has been appointed as the interim CEO of the company with effect immediately. Now, this is only till 15th of December. What happens on 15th of December? Ex-Birla Opus Paint CEO Rakshit Hargave, he takes over as the CEO of Britannia Industries. That was flagged off in the earnings call of Britannia about a week or so ago. So that management transition is still about to take place. So yes, this resignation was completely unseen and this has come as a surprise to us and the street as well. If you take a look at Varun Berry's journey in Britannia, in 2013 he joined Britannia as Vice President and COO, bringing a host of experience with him from PepsiCo and HUL. In 2014 he was elevated to MD. In 2018 his post of MD was renewed for another 5 years, his term of MD, and in May 2025 he was elevated to CEO in addition to his existing responsibilities after Rajneet Kohli resigned in March from the CEO position. So in the interim he was also looking at the CEO post, and now that has been filled or is going to be filled in December by Mr. Rakshit Hargave. If you take a look at Varun Berry's contribution to Britannia, it's been innumerable in terms of the change that he has brought. It's unvaluable on that part. He's revamped business operations. He's focused on margin efficiency, and margins from FY13 when he joined were at 7%. They've gone to more than 18% right now. So big jump coming in margins under his leadership. He expanded the product portfolio category not only into biscuits but out of biscuits into dairy, into bakery segment, and remember cheese as a segment for Britannia also came under him. Most importantly, Britannia became a part of the Nifty 50 group of stocks under his leadership, although Britannia is no longer part of the Nifty 50 list right now. He strengthened Britannia's distribution, brand building and a local management team that he wanted to build. So lastly, if you take a look at Britannia's stock price move since 2013 when he was appointed, that has grown at a CAGR of 31%. So big moves coming in, and yes, surprise resignation on the street. The stock is reacting to that as well.